friends, if you want to see how I created this top, please keep on watching. The supplies you are going to need for this project are a long ruler, a pen to draw your pattern, scissors, glue, and drafting paper. I started by tracing the previously drafted bodice block pattern, both the front and the back, making sure to mark the dot placement on pattern. I then proceeded with altering the pattern pieces into a Bustier top pattern. Extend the back dart towards your arm sky. Draw a curved line from your arm sky towards the center back. Extend your waist dart towards the bust darts, then complete the pattern with curved lines. Okay guys, the top is done. You know, the gold zip situation going on here, so I'm definitely going to accessorize with gold. Let me show you the front. And this is the front. I'm so excited to try this top on. Let's get it. A beaded Zulu traditional cuff, okay, and it matches the black and white. I love it. By the way, I also brought back my dolphin earrings. My neck piece is from Mr. Price, same as my earrings, and my boots. Fun. And this drop dress shorts I made for myself. Can you tell? I love it. Someone who's ready for the nighttime right now, because this look is giving. She is. Glasses are also from Mr. Price, by the way. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something from the illustrations that I did on how to join a bustier top. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.